Hey y'all from Arizona, welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions, if you're new to the channel. And today we're doing something a little different, y'all. You know, it's gotten hot here, so we're not spending as much time outdoors detecting or dry washing. We're spending more time indoors because the heat is here. But today we're going to do some smoking of some food, so I thought I'd share it with you. And we already have some ribs in the smoker now, and just one of those fully cooked turkey breast. We're gonna smoke that for our friend Rick. But basically all that I did with the ribs so far is we pat them dry and get a rub of your choice to put on the ribs, and I just put a good amount of rub on the ribs, and that'll be the first step. That's for smoking for a few hours, and then the next step will actually be adding some stuff and wrapping in foil. But I'll go ahead and show you. We have it smoking. There's the ribs smoking, and there's the turkey breast smoking. And we're smoking around 200 to 210, probably 5 to 6 hours. But yeah, well, I'm gonna go in the house too, and we're gonna smoke some more macaroni and cheese. And basically I just buy those Stouffer's mac and cheeses, and I add some seasoning on top of your choice, like put some paprika, and I add some diced jalapeno. I like my macaroni and cheese to have a little kick, so I'll probably add a little bit of that on top, and we're going to smoke that today too. And I'm going to smoke some something that I would usually fry up is yellow squash, onions, and potatoes. It's a common dish in Virginia. Fry it up in some bacon grease and some seasonings, pretty good stuff. But today, instead of doing that, I'm going to smoke it and try it out smoking it. So I'm going to go in the kitchen and get the macaroni and cheese and the squashed onions and potatoes prepared, and I'll get back with y'all. Basically, what I did right here is, here's the potatoes and squash and onion. And I cubed up the potatoes and squash and added some diced onion. I actually added some yellow onion and some red onion. And then I added some salt and pepper, and I just some minced garlic, about a teaspoon of minced garlic I added to the bowl, and some garlic and herb seasoning I've added to the bowl, and some of my dried chives from my herb garden that I dried. And basically I tossed it with a little bacon grease. I melted a little bacon grease in the microwave and then tossed it with it, but you can toss it with olive oil also. I just like the little flavor of bacon grease because I always keep a jar of bacon grease in my fridge because I think it flavors food well. And again, it's all in moderation. I don't eat like pounds of bacon grease. It's just better in some dishes to flavor them. So all that's tossed together with the bacon grease, lightly tossed with the bacon grease. And I'm going to put it in here. This will be the first time I've actually smoked this. So this will be a first time for the smoking this potato, squash, and onion stuff. And as you can see, I also have some macaroni and cheese right here. Hold on. Let me get this. Almost made too much for this container. I spread it out evenly. Let me rinse my hands off real quick. Okay, so just want to show you. Apologize adjusting my camera, so unprofessional. I don't know, sorry. But anyways, yes, so all that's tossed together with the onion, squash, potato tossed together with some seasonings and bacon grease, and I may add a little dab of butter on top. And then all I did here is took the frozen macaroni and cheese and topped it with some smoked paprika, some chipotle chili pepper, and as you can see, I put some diced jalapenos on there. So now I'm gonna go get it, go put it in the smoker, and I'll get back. Okay, y'all, so I have put the mac and cheese and the squash, potato, and onion stuff on the top rack, and I'm gonna let that smoke for a couple hours, and then possibly put some foil on it and let it finish smoking for another hour. It's probably about 3 hours. I'll let that smoke until it's, of course, until the potatoes are done when you stick a fork and the macaroni and cheese is not frozen anymore. But it's coming along good. Look at those ribs. Mmm. There's that turkey for Rick. He'll be here in a little while. But I'll get back with y'all and update when it's done. Okay, y'all. Mr. Southern here. We're taking the ribs now, and we're going to wrap each piece slab in foil. We already have one in foil right here. So basically, we'll put some butter on it, and I'm going to actually put a little apple juice on it. That helps keep some moisture in, so the ribs don't dry out. And you're going to wrap. Did you put apple juice on them? Oh, so you wrap it up in the foil, and then go cook some more in the foil with the butter and the apple juice. You could use apple cider also. Really, honey? So, that's the next step with the ribs. Are you doing that with the turkey too?
I'm going to put some on the turkey too.
I think he's going to put the turkey, do the turkey the same way. So basically, the next step with the meat, we're wrapping it in foil.
Cook for an hour.
And let it cook another hour with some apple juice on it and some butter. So, and I still have my potatoes, squash, onions smoking, and the mac and cheese. It's been smoking for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's got a couple hours to go. So I'll get back with y'all. These are going back in the smoker. Okay, y'all, I just took the potatoes and macaroni and cheese out to check it. Potatoes need to go back in. I gave them a stir. We also, as I showed you before, have the meats wrapped in foil now. I'm going to put this back in. Oh, I just dropped my fork. Put this back in. Because, like I said, the potatoes are not done. Let it just keep smoking. And, I'll get back with y'all when it's all done. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, y'all. We have taken the ribs back off out of the smoker. And now we are adding some garlic. What is it? Garlic? It's a garlic, roasted garlic barbecue sauce. That's what we're using. And it's going to put the sauce on them and wrap them back up.
Back on the smoker for about an hour.
And then put them back on the smoker. And here's Rick's turkey, and it's done, and waiting for him to come get it. All right, get back with y'all when it's all done. All right, y'all. The ribs, we just took the ribs off. They look delicious. They smell delicious. Here is the smoked squash, yellow squash, potatoes, and onions. And then here's the frozen smoked mac and cheese. Looky there. Looks delicious to me. Yum, yum. Give me one more look at these ribs. Oh, they look good. Smell so good. Can't wait to dig into this stuff. It's going to be delicious. Well, y'all, everything's cooked and done. It looks delicious to me. Can't wait to dig in. Smoked macaroni and cheese and the smoked squash, potatoes, and onions and the barbecue smoked ribs. Yum, yum, yum. It's going to be delicious. Can't wait to eat it in a little bit. Gotta let it rest for a little while. But, you know what's coming. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoy these videos. And see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.